gin. Got a bad little bit count Benjamin girl always born to win. Got a shit in the trunk like an elephant. Yeah, sipping on water is elegant. Got what you need, I'm scaling it. Water again, get hit again. 762, go through your skeleton. Hell no, don't test.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay the Don, man. Back with another video. I know y'all see I'm in the car, just picking the camera up, bruh. Decided to bring y'all a video today. I will be going to an event tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? A little event going on, Cars and Coffee. So we gonna bring y'all some content. Be on the lookout for that video as well. But yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all some content today. Me and the boys are out. We finna go hoop and shit like that. So I'm gonna just bring y'all a vlog today in traffic, you know, woo whatever. Oh yeah, and by the way, we do have some things on the way too as well for the V, man. Y'all stay tuned for that too as well. I'm gonna send a picture in the community chat of what we ordered and what we got on the way, so y'all will be up to date on that. And we just washed the car. I watched the V yesterday, but we was watching Jaden's car today too. We just went through that fucking dirt and shit. My boy off. These folks driving today, man. These folks driving today, man. That's what I be talking about too. You don't know what you're gonna end up getting, man. Every time you come out, it's always some bullshit. It's always some bullshit. 9 times out of 10, though, folks in Charlotte, boy, cannot drive. manual with it. in traffic, so I'm gonna want to hear my exhaust a little bit. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the spot, man. No cap.
A few inches later.
I was trying to let y'all know we made it to get the last person. See Vic behind him. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we done picked up some food. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. But yeah, we leaving the food truck now. Boys said they want something to sip. Niggas finna grub. They ain't got no bev. I got some bev because I knew I wasn't finna go hoot without nothing to sip. But they want to get something to drink. We at McDonald's right now. Y'all see the food, man. Shit look crazy.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I'm about to show y'all the boys' plate though real quick. The boys got that shit.
Come on, man.
You know what I'm saying?
They don't know, bro.
They don't know about it.
They don't know about it.
Put them on, twin.
And
What you
not,
got right
and
there?
they not gonna know.
Cause he the only one with it.
Come on,
What you eating on, twin?
Some rent.
Y'all boys sharing a plate?
Yeah.
Finna get this shit going. Rate the plate on a scale of 1 to 10 though. Y'all see what we working with. Y'all rate the plate, man.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Eventually.
Alright, y'all, bro. We just got done eating. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't say I'm pretty pigged out, but I'm a little full or whatever. I wasn't even really supposed to eat, but I grabbed some because I didn't know what I was gonna eat later. You feel me? Gotta make sure I'm gonna have something to eat later, so I went ahead and spent that. I could spend a block on it. No wings was busting. I know y'all seen the plate, bro. The plate was phenomenal. Like, I'm not gonna. But yeah, we finna head to camp right now. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna let you know when we get there. That boy Vic is somewhere. I'm not sure where he at. He might be going the other way, but yeah, y'all, we finna slide out. I'm gonna let y'all know when we make it to camp.
8:01 p.m.
Alright, y'all, we finally done made it. I know it's dark, but y'all see where we at with it. We on camp though. We on camp with it, but I'm gonna let y'all know what the vibes is, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, boys gonna be hooping, you feel me?
Yeah, gonna get butts, man. Let me know if y'all want more content like this though. Instead of just park content, I can bring y'all vlogs and shit. You 0 and 10?
That's it, tall.
Look at this thing though. He got a wicker bill on it. Carbon fiber too. Look at this bitch.
I'm gonna see if Mike can catch that man instead of cash so I can send it.
Bitch a drop top too. Hit that bitch. You're not trying to hit that bitch. I'm trying to go hoop on a black top. You got a gym and shit. Got the Kyrie's on, man. Champion shots. Out here looking like a scrub, but it is what it is. Fuck! Good boy. So, this last minute. Come here. Oh, knock down. Hey, that better be on in the game, bro.
He ain't lying.
I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. Hey, y'all, I'm finna warm up though real quick. Put my stuff away real quick, you feel me? Stay tuned. Alright, man, y'all see my face, bro. We play like 4 games. We're like 4-0 right now. But we over here on that. We out the vlog and shit. Look, bro, we been at the gym, bro. I don't know how long we been here, but this man got a whole assignment due, bro. This man got a whole, we was hooping how long, bro? Like 2-3 hours, and he ain't even know he had an assignment due until we was almost finished, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, KD. Say what's up to the vlog, bro. It's like, nah, his name David, bro. I'm trolling. But yeah, we been hooping, bro. We like 6-0 today. I think I'm gonna pack it up though for like 2 weeks. I think I'm done for like 2 weeks.
You should have been recording the whole game.
Man, who about to sit there with camera up the whole time, bro?
You know, I ain't got that much storage.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I almost ran out of storage. I almost ain't have a video today. When we pulled up to pick up X, bro, my shit said the storage on the card was almost out. And it stopped recording. And I'm like, fuck. So I would just start deleting a whole bunch of shit.
Y'all go fuck with Breeze YouTube channel. Get that man to 1K.
Give me 1K, man. We at 600 just about. We're like 7 subs away right now from 600.
You at 600 by the time you go?
Yeah, by the time I drop this video, I should be at 600. But I'm gonna put the sub count right here anyways. But let me know if y'all want me to film the whole time we hoop. I was playing like some buns today type shit, but it is what it is. Yeah, facts. Hey, bro, how much you had today? You had like 50 today, right?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Between like 6 games, I probably had a good 30, 40.
Nah, he had like 50. He had double digits every game. We played 5 games, bro.
They was talking shit, bro. I had like 5 flagrants.
He said flagrants.
Bro, this nigga averaged 3 turnovers a game, bro.
He ain't lying.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, he started getting off because you was leaving him open the whole time.
Yeah.
That boy heated up.
I worry about B-block.
Hey, nah, I'm about done though, man. Y'all make sure y'all like the video. Bring y'all a cool little video today, a cool little vlog.
Later.
At 6 o'clock, you'll have 8 hours of sleep, bro.
I'm wake up at 6 o'clock.
Kevin, why are you not coming, bro? You have no reason. Not to. Kev, did you work today, bro?
Yeah, I work today and I gotta go to work at 9 tomorrow.
You talking that yang shit. Dumbass motherfucker.
Bro, that's no,
Bro.
you do not. The mall don't even open this.
I know, but I gotta be there early.
No.
Stop the cap.
Kevin, you said last time. You literally said I will be there until 11, bro.
Nah, bro, I gotta be at 9, bro.
So, nigga, come to Cars and Coffee for a little bit and then go there. It's right next to your job.
For 30 minutes being stuck in traffic.
He's bullshit.
Where y'all want to eat at?
He's bullshit.
Right now?
Nowhere.
You ain't got no leftover food, bro.
I ain't got no
Kevin, bro. Just come, bro.
He said, yes, you see, look, he offered. He's offered. He offered for sure.
I don't even want to think about food for like
tripping.
I ain't
I don't want to think about food either. I'm not even hungry no more. I felt that shit in my stomach like we were running. And I started burping. I said, yeah, it's about over.
Okay, bye.